This is our website, CCLHUB. We provide NAATI CCL courses in various languages. We have 4 subcategories: self-preparatory, recent exam dialogues, crash course, and unlimited course. This is our self-preparatory package. It costs $199. It contains 30 dialogues and answers, 30 audio files, 3,000 plus words vocabularies, 6 pre-recorded classes, 6 weeks accessibility. It means you can access the course for 6 weeks. This is the curriculum section of our course, from where you can access the videos, audios, and PDF files. Section 2 PDF are available to you after you buy the course. To see the pattern of the course, you can check the free samples. This is the PDF and this is the audio part. Here you play the audio and the dialogue begins. After you hear a beep sound, then only you need to translate and practice. In PDF file, you will find the answers. You can check and tally with your answers. Another package we have is recent exam dialogues. It costs you $99, and it has a total of 16 files, 15 dialogues, and 1 vocabulary file, where there will be 1,500 plus vocabularies. You can access the files the same way. You can add to cart and buy it. Another package we have is Crash Course, which costs $99, where you will be provided a tutor's calendar from where you can schedule the mock test. You will have a total of 5 hours mock test, where each mock test is of 1 hour. The calendar will look like this, and you can choose favorable timing. If your timing is not available, then message us. We can manage a time for you as well. Here is a sample of how we conduct our mock test. This is a dialogue between Nepali and English speaker.
I can give her 2 sessions per week on Tuesday and Thursday. If required, we will increase her visits in a week.
अवश्य म बुझ्न सक्छु। कृपया तपाईको छोरीलाई मंगलबार ल्याउनुहोला। म 2टा कक्षाहरू गर्न सक्छु, मंगलबार र बिहीबार गरेर।
त्यो एकदमै राम्रो लाग्छ चिकित्सकज्यू। उनीले कति बेरसम्म थेरापी गर्नुपर्छ?
I find it really nice. How long should that therapy go?